So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. So today this video is gonna be very special, very different and very interesting video, because guys today in this video I have gave myself a challenge, and this video is one kind of be a greatest experiment of English speaking, because guys today in this video I'm gonna run, and at the time of running I will speak it, and this practice name will be running English speaking practice. Yes, means I'm also running, and on the other hand I am also just making my video speaking the English language, practicing the English language. As you can see today, it's also one kind of a foggy day, foggy morning, but really I'm not feeling any more cold, because after a little bit running, all of the coldness, all of the laziness, they also just go. So running is a very big exercise, a very warm exercise. It will give you warmth, and it is very nice. Like you also can see, my father is also making video. He's also a YouTuber, so he is making video, I'm making video, and our whole family is vlogger family. So now let's go, let's start again the running. I will again run, and I don't know what I will speak in this video. There is no any kind of topic of this video. I'll just run and run. I will just walk. I'm gonna do a cycling practice, because today I'm gonna run. People practice English by sitting. Today I'm gonna practice English by running. And now I don't need any kind of excuse. I am fully energetic, so I'm gonna run. I don't know how the video also will come, but I'm running slowly. I'm not just running very fast. It's also one kind of a jogging, and I'm doing it and I'm running. Okay, now people, they are looking at me. They're also thinking that what the boy is doing. He's also running, but he's making the video, and it's also cool. It's very nice, because I just got bored by doing one kind of practice daily, walking practice with the gimbal stand, and just speaking anything in English, whatsoever coming in my brain, sharing this video on YouTube, posting it, and that's it. Nothing. But today I want to feel, I want to do something which is gonna be different. For that reason I'm just doing it. As you can see, the sunrise, it's also looking very beautiful. I don't know that in the video it will not show or it will show, but the sunrise is very beautiful. Okay, the sun is just riding between two clouds, and it's looking very beautiful. Again, I'll start the running. So I said on the video that I will run and I will practice English by running, but remember, I'm also taking the gimbal. The gimbal also a little bit heavier, so after running few times I'm also gonna take breaks, because I'm a human, I'm not an engine. Walking practice is very beautiful. It's very difficult. Just think, after a few minutes of running I pronounced the difficult beautiful, just opposite. So just think that when I'll go to the place where we go usually every day, it's also near about 3 kilometers far from this place. So what will be that time situation? I want to see it. I want to experiment. Okay, like you also know the craziest YouTuber, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast also this type of experiments, this type of crazy things he always, and he does. This road is very beautiful. This road, okay, there are on the both sides there are equal trees which are looking very nice, very beautiful, and on the bridge there you will see many birds who is sitting on the railing. So now it's time of running. So again I will run, and I'll speak. Remember, crazy things. If you want crazy things, then you have to also become crazy. The sun, it's also very heated up, and because for the fog, the sun rays is not coming to my mouth directly, because I am totally in front of the sun, and I'm saying to the sun, that sun, doesn't matter in my life how much difficulties are gonna come, how much troubles I will face, how much problems, how much mistakes I will do, but from everything I will run, I will run, I will learn, and I will be great one day. Remember, in your life, if you want to do something better, if you want to do something great, then make a habit and a personality to be the number one. Why you know Mr. Beast? Because everyone knows that Mr. Beast is the number one in the list of experiments, challenges, So for that reason, we know Mr. Beast. Why know we Saurabh Joshi? Saurabh Joshi, the Indian vlogger, the most famous Indian vlogger. We know Saurabh Joshi because he is the number one Indian vlogger. So if you want to be something in your life, then remember, always make, and also you need some hunger for to become the number one. If you are not the number one, then don't also try to become something, because number one is the most important thing. And I also want to be the number one, and I don't want to be, I will be. Now also, as you also can see, that now it's a milestone, and with the help of this type of milestone, we also just guess and we understand that how much kilometer we have just walked. So it's the 2 kilometer here, and now it's a proof that we have walked for 2 kilometers. Where we have started, there was also one milestone. um, so now here's the another milestone, and I will wait for the next milestone, which is gonna be the 3 kilometers. Okay, so when I will get the 3 kilometers milestone, I'll see it. Then it's a proof that I have run and I have walked for 3 kilometers. So this is the thing that I want to share, and many people, they're also seeing me, they are just thinking that what a crazy boy, what he is doing. But I don't know that. Always remember, when you feel hesitated, and at the time, don't show people that you are hesitant. Just show people that you are very motivated, you are very happy. At the time people are watching you, so just become fear, and also just become hesitate at the time whatever we do. Like, think that there are many people who are showing to you, they are laughing at you on your work, whatever you are doing. So at the time, just do one thing, which I do, that at the time just take a smile, because a smile also will change them. People are thinking to feel hesitate to you. You are doing something different, you are doing something great in your life. So obviously they are not doing the great, you are doing the great. So whenever you will do something great, something different, then all of your society members, all of your people surrounded you, they also will do one thing, and that thing is they will always stop you. They will try their best for to stop you, for to hold you back. So at the time, if you also just stop for them, it will be not the good, and that's the most foolish thing in your life. At the time, what you will do, just give a smile and pass them. That's it. That's it. Okay. Just for them, it's few seconds that they are watching you, and after that, they will forget you. But for you, it's a whole day. There is also some lines, okay, some kinds of symbols here. I don't know exactly what the meaning of them. So if you know their meaning, then please guys comment me down below. And now we are doing, and many people say there's this railway bridge. Don't make videos on the railway bridge. It's not very safe. It's not very good for you and for your future. It may be any kinds of accident happen with you. But I want to share with people that I am making the video here because I know that there and never here will any train come, because nowadays this railway station is on working, on under construction. So there is no chance that the train will come. And the train will come, we'll get notice, and from then we will start, we will stop here making the video and just walk and just run. I also feeling that in the normal days, whenever I just walk and I also practice the English language, at that time I feel very kind of a low motivation, low energy. But today when I'm running, at this time I don't know from where, but energy is coming automatically to me. I'm also just spending my energies, but I'm returning back all of the energies. Saying is very easy, and also observing it's very easy, but doing it's very hard. Now as you also can see, there is a person who is walking and he's looking behind. So just do this kind of fun. Like, if people, they give you some lookings, they give you some eyes, and you also just return them back. There is nothing to fear and there is nothing to worry. What they will do, they will never do something to you. If you are thinking that if you do this work, that kind of a work, then people, they will see you, they will judge you, they will say a lot of things to you, but this is wrong. Okay, people, they will never say anything to you, because you are not harming them. You are not doing, I'm not harming them. Okay, I'm just making videos, and this is a public place, so I will make the video. Who are you to say me that I'm not and I can't make videos? There will nothing, there will no people. People are only in this earth for to see you, for to watch you, what you are doing. Okay, I'm holding the gimbal, I'm holding my phone. It means I'm holding my life. So when I'm running, then also with every single step, I also have to become very careful, because if something happened, if I fell down, if I do something foolish things, then all of the thing that I'm holding now, it's gonna be on the trash tomorrow. So for that reason, I have to be secure. But remember, this is my problem, so I'll not make this my excuse. I will do. Doesn't matter what happened. Today, today, if a phone will go, then tomorrow another will come. Okay, but the time which I'm wasting is not the right. The time which you are wasting is not the right. It's not the correct. So now this place is one of my favorite place, because in this place the background, the buildings, they're very very nice, and the sceneries, they are very nice for to make videos and also for to show in the videos. Yesterday I also had come had come had come in this place, but at the time I was not holding the gimbal, I wasn't holding the phone. So for that reason, today I decided I will show my audience this place. This place is very beautiful. Here you can see there are a lot of trees, greeneries. As the sun is there also rising, there are a lot of towers here. Okay, just let me count all of them. I know that for the sun raises you are not seeing anything, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 towers are here. And I'm not sure there is another one. I'm not sure there is another one, because for the fog there is, I also am not able to see anything. But I'm sure there are more than 5 or 6 towers. Okay, this is very nice, this is very beautiful. And that tower which is hiding on the fog is also not just looking like Eiffel Tower. I'm just lying, I'm also just saying, because the top and the tip of the tower is also just fading with the fog. It's you can see, it's a very big ground. The ground is also looking very nice. I was sure that there were many trees are there, but for some reasons they all have cut it. And now I'm going on. I don't know what I'll speak. I don't know where is my father, but my father, he's also coming, so I also must go. So this thing I want to share with everyone, and remember, uh, always try to focus and always try to be in an uncomfortable zone. Leave your comfort zone. The winter is coming, so in the winter is also, as I say, it's like a very lazy weather. In this weather we also feel very lazy, and for that laziness we also can't able to do something great in our life. So just remember, become crazy, because crazy things come from crazy, as I say. But if you are lazy, then obviously you will get lazy awards and lazy kinds of results. Like today, this video is one kind of a great crazy video. Okay, I am not lazy in this video. In my previous videos, I also was lazy. I spoke very lazy. But today in this video, I didn't spoke lazy. I spoke very extremely powerfully with energy. So I think that this video needs some crazy results. So for to give this video crazy results, you don't need to do a lot of things. Let's do one thing, which is like the video, subscribe my channel, and give a beautiful comment, which is that what you are thinking about the winter. Okay, I hope my destination is very near. This was the thing that I want to share, an experiment. Now after a long time running, you all saw that if I run normally, then I also feel very tired. But when I am speaking and I am also running, now I'm not feeling tired. I'm feeling more energetic. Now I'll stop the video, because you also can see it's another 1 kilometer milestone. So it's a 1 kilometer, there was 2 kilometer, so it means that we have reached to the 3 kilometers. So now the people who say that I don't get topics, you don't need to topics. Like watch me, I also didn't take any kinds of topic, I just run, I shared all of my feelings, and that's it. Wait, nothing is impossible in the world. If you are crazy, then everything will be possible.